have our 558 merch out. Link in the description box below. Go check it out.
558 hat, you know. 558, you know. You can get this one with the adjustable back, or you can get the flex fit ones. So, you know, you gotta rock your 558 hat.
Next up is a zipper up hoodie with the Elm City Robo Squad logo on the left chest and the 558 on the back.
Here we go. What else do we got?
We got the windbreakers with your names, and we got our logo, 558 on the side, and the first logo.
We got shirts. 558 shirts, you know. That'll rock it with the purple Converse, you know. And the purple hijab. Purple safety glasses. Get your 558 merch today.
Don't forget the hijab, okay?
Get that 558 hijab. Coming soon.
Alright guys, so we came up with this hashtag BDIBS. So you can post your best day in build season with that hashtag, and we'll see what kind of responses we get.
So increasing pressure, this is at like 10 psi. 10? Yep. Right.
Start at 3.
3, 2, 1. 15? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Alright. 20? Okay. 3, 2, 1. 25? Okay. 3, 2, 1.